Hi everyone, my name is Fabian Valdez and I am here to show you the second part of the project, the personal project we had on week 3. So this one focuses on authentication. So we're going to jump right in. This is the render page, and as you can see here, it's working the logout because I have not signed in. Let's go to API, to the API docs. So if I try to get all the information, there's no issue. But if I try to put a new vehicle, let's just execute like that, 401, and this one is not going on because I am not authenticated. I can get information by ID, yes, that should be no trouble at all. So by ID, this one, try out. And there's the information. So if I try to put something, again, I am not logged out, so let's try to change that. And again, we are not authenticated. The delete, again, not authenticated. Let's now try with the second collection, which is some vehicles. So here you got that information, there's no issue with that. If I try by ID, shouldn't be issues. Yeah, we got the information. So, but now if we try to post a vehicle, I am not authenticated, error 401. For the put and delete should be the same. Not authenticated, error 401, and finally the delete endpoint, not authenticated, 401. So that works. But what can we do? We go to login and we get to log in with GitHub. This application is working with GitHub OAuth. So now I'm logged in with my personal account. So let's go ahead again with API docs, and we are going to try to create a new vehicle, right? And right away you can see that I get a different error because I'm now logged in. So now it's making the data validation. Let's copy some information so we can do it quick. I'm sorry if I talk a little slow. I'm kind of sick, so it's a little hard for me. So let's show that a little bit. ECD, execute. We got a 200. So now we check that information. We should have one more, yes, and that is the one I got. Is ASD, yeah. So that is working, and that works with the other information as well. I will move on quick because I want to check the other collection. So let's try that preloaded information to change the one I just created. We got a nice code, a 200 code. So now it's changed, and now let's delete it. That works as well. Instead of 9 we have 8, and we are back with the Omoda Jaco again. So let's try now the vehicle. We can get the information, yes. Let's create a new one, and right away you can see that I have a different error again because it's doing the data validation. We're going to copy one vehicle. Let's get the first one. So it's not like the same. The ID, and let's say it's instead of gasoline it's a diesel. Execute, and we got a 200 Now we have one more here as well, and we have that diesel that I just created. So let's now edit it. So I'm going to have the preloaded information. You saw that it was a sail, now it should be a silverado. Execute 200, so it's going to be changed now from sail to silverado. Yeah, and the other information as well. That is working, and finally we are going to delete it. So successfully code 200, and we are back to 9 again. So everything's working right. We are good on time, I think. Yes. So what is new? I have the user schema for uh, the information that I'm retrieving. We have the authenticate, which checks if the session is authenticated. We have the in in the index we have this get callback, which will basically run the authorization part with GitHub. And in here, when we go to login, we got that authentication as well, and the logout, it basically clears well, checks for the logout. If there's an error, it returns it. Otherwise, it will get the session undefined. I add this line because I had some cookies issue before, and then is redirected to home. And when I and yeah, here we got the password, in which is loaded the strategy for the GitHub. So as you can see, here's the sensitive information which I'm loading from my env file, which is not shared on the GitHub. So that'll be all. Thank you for your time.